Video for Piston Cap 11.3. All dimensions are in inches. Let's take a look at the first sketch. Okay, I have a 5 3/4 circle and a 3 1/2 inch circle, and I just drew those two. Finished sketch. Went ahead and extruded those 1/4 inch. There's several ways you can do this. I'm just kind of showing you step by step. Okay. Sketch 2. Go ahead and redraw a 5 3/4 inch circle along with a 5 1/4 inch circle and extrude that up. Let's take a look at that. One and a half. Let me change that to 1 1/4. Okay, because we already have a 1/4 on the bottom plus 1 1/4, so we need an overall height of 1 1/2. Let me make sure that yep, okay. We'll go take a look at that in a minute. All right. Next, you're going to use your circular pattern a couple times here. Let me straighten this up. What I did, I drew one circle here. Make sure you stay on this center line. And the center of that to the center of the circle should be 2 1/8 inch diameter. Once you get that, go to circular pattern, and it's already defaulted for the geometry. Choose this circle and then choose this arrow for the axis and click this circle. If this doesn't show up, you're going to have to get out of this, go to project geometry, click here, and then choose somewhere out here. I'm going to cancel that because I don't need to do that. But circular pattern, again, choose your geometry, arrow for your axis, choose this, okay? And make sure you set this, see we have 8. So once you choose it, this is going to open up and you're going to be able to change this to 8. Finish sketch. Come back around, go to extrude. I'll just show you from here. You're going to choose each one of those circles and just extrude them. You can choose all. Take care of that. Okay. You're going to spin around to the front, and the last one. What I did, I came in and I drew a 1 inch diameter circle and a 1/2 inch diameter circle right on the same center line as the previous holes. Okay, and then draw a line. Well, again, you're going to have to project geometry, so make sure that you project geometry before you draw these circles, and it'll highlight this where you'll be able to trim. So once you have the 1/2 inch and the 1 inch diameter circle. Just go to line command, go tangent, and you can draw. You could do this. You could draw these lines longer than you need, and you can trim them off. And you want to trim them off on this circle. Then go back to circle, use this origin, and redraw this circle, and trim off everything but this arc right here. That way we have an enclosed area that we can extrude. Once you have one of these, just go to circular pattern and just put a window around it. For the geometry, the axis again is going to be this circle here, and type in 4. Once you have that, you're going to extrude them can't reach that. Let's go here. You're going to extrude them 1/4 of an inch. Probably they're going to go out. It's going to be defaulted on this one. Just choose this to reverse the direction. Hit OK. That'll take care of that. Let's look at our IDW right quick. I went in here and put in a section view. You don't have to do that, but I would suggest you do it. That way you don't have to dimension to a hidden line. Let me zoom in here. And if you're not familiar with the section view, just go click here, click the red box, find your center, do not click, just follow it up, click right above it, come back down, over to the left, left click, then right click, continue, and bring it over. Let's go through that. Section view. It's asking you select the view. I'm going to select this one. Find your center. Come up. Come back through. Over to the left. Left click. Right click. Click continue. Drop that in. You can go back to the annotate and put those dimensions in. I'm just going to hit my back button to get me back to where I were before. Okay. Let's put a material, your name, and 11.3 piston cap for the name.